Hey dolls, welcome to my channel. My name is Dean, and if this is your first time here, my channel focuses on beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. So if you enjoy the vibe, then go ahead and subscribe. So today I am doing a unboxing with a company called Causebox. Now, Causebox, I don't really know a whole lot about the company, but what I do know is that it's basically a sustainable type company. So they focus on like the environment and, different causes and stuff like that, like women's rights. And I don't really know. I don't want to sit up here and lie to y'all. So once I open the box, I haven't seen what's in it. I did get to choose, I think 3 items, but I really, girl, look, I don't remember what I chose, to be honest. And I ordered this box. I think I got it for, no, I know I got it for like the Black Friday sale. So I don't remember exactly what the promotion or discount was, but it was okay. It was something I wanted to try anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead on and get started. Okay, so I did go ahead on and get the tape out of the way because we ain't got time to be doing all of that. So this is what the box looks like this. And I'm feeling it, the melanin art going on here. Excuse my nails, they're a little busted, but we gonna work through it. But yeah, I'm liking the little artwork here. So I'm gonna go ahead on and open it up. And this is what it's looking like. So right on top you get this little slip that says win a free annual membership. Girl, how? So basically you share a photo of your winner box on Instagram, Facebook, all of that. So if you want to do an unboxing and share it on social media. You get a little booklet here, and I don't know if I mentioned it, but this is the winter 2021 box, and this is a seasonal membership. I don't know if I said that. So you basically get it 4 times a year, and it's basically just showing all of the different options and stuff for everything that you have in your box, basically. So I'll go through this when I have a chance, but let's get into the box. So it has a little picture here and a little sticker here. So we're gonna look that on up. And you get this little thing here. I don't know. I guess you could like send a postcard or something to somebody. I don't know. Girl, look. So I remember choosing this. This is a wrap situation here. So it's like a little sweater, cardigan type thing. It's oh my god, it's so soft. It's like really, really soft. And this is what it looks like. And this is a size one size fits most. Is what it says there. So yeah, so that's that. I guess I could go ahead and try this on real quick and see what it looks like since it says one size fits most, so I'm gonna go ahead on and try this. Okay, so this is the little cardigan here, and I mean, it's cute or whatever. I don't want to step back too far because, girl, I got on pajama bottoms. Don't tell nobody. You know how we do. But, yeah, I mean, it's cute or whatever. It stops about, I mean, it stops almost to my knees. I'm 5'3", and I'm normally a size small these days, so yeah, that's how it looks on me. I look crazy like Mr. Rogers right now for this one, but it's really, really soft, y'all. Like, it's really, really soft, really good quality. It doesn't feel cheap at all. I wonder if they say how much it costs. Let's see. Cause is it in here? Let's see. I don't know. I will, okay, so it's saying that this is a $115 value. Girl, look, I can't make this up. That's what these people saying. I don't know if y'all can see that. Come on, like, focus. So yeah, it's saying $115 value. It's made with 100% recycled polyester. So it's made with water bottles with recycled water bottles. That's really interesting. I've never seen something like that before, but that's really, really interesting. So yeah, this company is really geared towards, you know, like reuse, recycle, sustainable, you know, being more conscious about, you know, landfills and waste and stuff like that. So it's a really, you know, cute, nice little cause or whatever, hence the name, Causebox. So moving right along, the next thing I have here is, I remember picking this too. This is a set of coasters. It's 4 coasters here, and let's see if I can find the value of this. So the value of these coasters is $42. And these are called the Zill Living Marble Geo Coasters. Yeah. So these were made by a 60% female workforce. So basically you're helping to employ the women, the sisters. So like I said, it's geared towards, you know, women and, you know, all kind of good stuff. So this is what the little coasters look like. It's just a, you know, like a cream white kind of color, and it has the little thingies on the bottom, the little corks or whatever you call them. So yeah, if you like me, I hate putting like drinks down and having that ring, and it irks my nerves. So that's why I picked this. So yeah, that's that. The next thing I remember picking is a planner. So this is what the planner looks like for 2021. It's really, really pretty, and I've never had a planner like in my adult life before. I used to have one when I was in like high school and stuff, but I never really used it, to be honest. But I do want to get more organized in 2021. I want to get more focused and, you know, writing things down, like, you know, goals, and, you know, just keeping tabs and holding myself accountable for different stuff. So that's why I got the planner. And yeah, the planner's value is $32. And this is a woman owned and operated company. The company is called Idlewild Company. So I think it's on here. Yeah, it's right there. This glare is, there we go. So yeah, that's the company, and you know, we're gonna make stuff happen. We're gonna make it happen. We're gonna manifest. We're gonna, you know, do what we're supposed to do in 2021, because 2020 came by with growth, like for real. So this is really, really pretty, y'all. Like, this is really, really pretty. Like, I really, really like this. This makes me, like, this is like, it makes you motivated to, you know, pull your little pretty planner out and, you know, do your thing. For me it does, hopefully. You know, you start stuff off good at the beginning of the year, but around March, downhill. But anywho, so moving along, we have a set of 5 reusable zip pouches. I don't remember if I chose this or not. It don't even matter. So this is a $22 value, and basically these are reusable pouches. So it's basically, you know, meant to replace like glass Ziploc bags or whatever, so you're not, you know, wasting a whole bunch of stuff. So the next thing I have is a must-have for every woman, period, like for real, and that is a little satiny pillowcase. So this is the pillowcase. It's really pretty. I really like the color, like a little champagne kind of color. So I got that, and it comes with the little dust bag. And this is a travel pillowcase, so this is for, like, you know, if you go into a hotel and you know, we don't know what they be doing with the sheets and stuff. So if you want to just have your little pillowcase to take with you, just to be on the safe side, especially with Miss Rona coming through. So this is, let's see what they say this is, girl. So this is the Attitude travel pillowcase. So that's the company there. Yeah. So this is a $25 value, basically. This little recycled and sustainable stuff is expensive, but you know, whatever. So the next thing I have, this is the last thing I have as well. This is the Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Face Toner. I like the bottom. It's a real pretty bottom. I'm not really big on toners. I know it's good for, you know, getting your skin, normalizing your pH and everything like that, and prepping it for moisturizer serums, and you know, I know the benefits of it. It's just an added step, and girl, I'm lazy. So I don't know how much use I'm gonna really get out of this, to be honest. I know I didn't choose this. I don't even know if I'm gonna open this. I might give this away to somebody because I have so many toners that I just don't really reach for, to be honest. But I really like the bottom. It's a pretty bottom. But yeah, so that's everything I have. All in all, my favorite products is probably everything I chose. I could have done without that toner, and I don't even know how I feel about these. Like, I get the concept. I like the concept, but I don't know if I'm gonna really use those, to be honest. But I really like the little cardigan. I really like the planner. I really like the coasters. And I really like the pillowcase, but that's all stuff I remember choosing. I think they chose either one or two things. I don't remember if I chose this, but I know I definitely did not choose this because I would have never picked toner. But all in all, I mean, I like the box overall. I've already signed up for the annual membership, so we'll see. The next time I get a box, it'll be for spring, the spring box. So, you know, it might be better, it might be worse, whatever. But regardless, the price of these, I think the price is $49. Basically $50. It's either 40 or $50. I'm not sure which one it is, but for the value of what you're getting, it's cute, and I just like the box. I like the concept. I like getting mail. That's just me. So yeah, all in all, I like it. Would I recommend it? Yeah, if you like me, if you like getting boxes, if you like getting mail, you know, showing up. It's like Christmas, so I like Christmas. So, you know, you get Christmas 4 times a year. So I like it, I recommend it, and that's that. So that is my Causebox review, unboxing, all of that good stuff. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to comment, like the video, of course, and subscribe. Please. No, just, you know, if you like the video, thumbs up. If you like the vibe, subscribe, and I will see you on my next one. Bye, dolls. In my circle, I don't really need them. We were saying we up next forever. Now we really mean it. We about that action.